You find in your report that the elements of a federal criminal violation are met, but then you apply this senile cooperator theory.
I need to disagree with at least one thing that you said, which is that I found that all of the elements were met.
Did you find that the president was senile?
I did not. That conclusion does not appear in my report, Congressman.
You felt, though, that the president's memory or lack thereof was a critical reason to decline prosecution.
You got the fact that he had classified material in his possession and control in multiple settings for multiple years, that he told others he was aware of this, and that he shared that material with others. The mind boggles at what beyond reasonable doubt would actually mean.
In this case, did you reach a conclusion that this man was outright innocent?
That conclusion is not reflected in my report.
We conclude that no criminal charges are warranted in this matter. Am I correct?
Yes.
That's the bottom line of this report. Am I correct?
That is the first sentence.
It's the first sentence and the bottom line.
He knows he's got classified docs. He's looking at this. He can't read it. He's giving this to somebody he knows has no security clearance. So he says, hey, read this, but be careful. It might be classified. That warning to be careful because it may be classified, that indicates guilty knowledge.
The evidence, if presented at trial alongside potential defense arguments, would not probably result in a conviction at trial.
Well, that's one of the points you make, is that President Biden's likely to be an elderly, sympathetic figure with a poor memory. But how does that bear on any individual's guilt or innocence?
You did not reach an idea that he had committed no wrong. You reached a conclusion that you would not prevail at trial and therefore did not take it forward. Is that correct?
Correct, Congressman.
You did not uncover enough evidence to recommend prosecution against the president. Is that correct?
That's my judgment.
And if you had found enough evidence to warrant prosecution, did you feel free, unrestrained, to make such a recommendation to the Attorney General?
The investigative steps that we took were my own, the judgment was my own, and the words in the report are my own.